Today we are filming the Wetco Pro car wash in Gibsonia, PA. Hope everyone is having a good morning. Here we go. This is Bellinger with a McNeil top brush. Running my test wash for the opening procedures this morning. Dolly call button. Why isn't... There we go. Now, gonna start off with some pre-soak. And then our top brush. There's our top brush. Triple foam, and then our quick fires. There's our low side washer, and then there's our quick fire. There's our other quick fire. Our dryers. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe would mean the world to me. And thanks for watching.